Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's learning time. So today in this video I am going to explain you about the exercise 1.5. So let's start. Question number 1 is insert commas and write the following numbers in words in the international system. They have given numbers here. We have to insert commas first according to the international system of numeration, and then we have to write down the numbers in words. So see here, it is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 digit number. As I told you in previous video, in international system of numeration we have to make the groups of 3 digit to insert the commas. So see here, 1 2 3 first comma, then 1 2 3 second comma. Here the first comma will come before 100 place and second comma will come before 100,000 place. So now we have inserted here comma, then write down this number in words. See here, it is ones place, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000 and million. So here 3 comes in million group. So write down 3 million, 500, 47,000, 100, 92. What we have did here? First insert the comma according to the period wise how we insert commas in international system of numeration. First comma will come before 100 place, second comma will come before 100,000 place. So in writing it is 3,500,000. Remember here, after million period 100,000 place will come. Whichever number is there, just write down the number name. After that you have to write down 100, then remaining number as we write in the Indian system of numeration same way. Just here difference is, write down this number as it is and after that write down 100, then 47,192. Let's take one more example. Here first we have to insert the commas. First comma will come before 100 place, second comma will come before 100,000 place. So see here, it is 1 tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. So 1 is present in the 10 million group. So it is 10 million. So see here, 0 is there. So no need to write down anything here. Just write down 10 million, 4,000, 700, 31. So here is our answer. It is 10 million. See here, 0 is there, so no need to write down any 10 hundreds place. So just write down 10,004,731. Let's move to the second question. Question number 2 is write the following numbers in the international system of numeration. Here they have given the numbers in words. We have to write down these numbers in international system of numeration. So see here, 22,44,020. Here it is they given the numbers in Indian system of numeration. Write down the numbers. It is 22,44,020. The given number is like this. It is 22,44,020. So we have to convert this number into international system of numeration. Insert the commas first. Make 3 digits one group, insert comma, then again 3 digits one group, insert comma. Here we have just converted this number into international system of numeration. So see here, it is ones, tens, 100, 4,000, 10,000, 100,000 and million. So 2 is in million group, it is 2,244,020. Just write down the number, insert the commas and write down in International System of Numeration. So see here, the next question is, it is even question, 33,554. So write down the number, 33 lakhs. 500 is there, so 10,000 and 1,000 place is not given, so put zeros there. Then 554. It is 554. Now insert the commas to convert it into the international system. Make 3 digits one group, insert comma, again make 3 digits one group, insert comma. So here again it is 3 is present in the million group, so it is 3,300,000. 300,000 554. What we did here, just insert the commas according to the periods in international system and write down the numbers. So see here, 0 is present in the 10,000 and 1,000 place. So here already 3 is present in the 100,000 place. So write down 3,300,554. So here is question number 3. Rewrite the following numbers in the International System of Numeration. Again they have given the numbers in Indian System of Numeration. Here we have to convert these numbers into the International System of Numeration. Question number A is, the total collection from a musical show is rupees 33,47,121. So while solving this answer, write down this given number here. It is 33,47,121. So now we have to convert this number into the international system. Insert the commas before 100 place. Second comma will be comes before 100,000 place. Means 3 numbers 1 group. 3 numbers 1 group. Here again 3 is present in the million group. So write down the number. It is 3 million. And next 300 47,121. So see here, the answer is 3,347,121. I hope you understood this one. Remaining examples you have to solve in your classwork. Thank you. If you like this video, press like button and subscribe to my channel. It's learning time. Thank you.